Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to invert colors in new layer. For example, I will open this image, and if you want to invert this image in another layer, you can go to layer menu, new adjustment layer, and then you can click invert. After it will be show for new layer with invert tools, and then you can click OK to apply. So it will be create new layer with invert. If you want to only select in another area to invert, like I will use this elliptical marquee tools, and I will select at this area. Now you can go to layer again, click on new adjustment layer, and then click invert. Click OK, and it will be automatically invert in the selected area, but we create a new layer. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials, how to invert colors. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.